emergency for Butler, Greene, Warren, and Montgomery. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Butler County and southwestern Ohio, southwestern Greene County and southwestern Ohio, northern Warren County and southwestern Ohio, southeastern Montgomery County and southwestern Ohio, until 2:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:42 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service trained weather spotters confirmed a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a large and destructive tornado which was observed 2 miles south to southwest of Trenton, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Tornado emergency for Butler, Greene, Warren, and Montgomery. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard, deadly tornado. Source, trained weather spotters confirmed large and destructive tornado. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable tree damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. Locations impacted by this large and destructive tornado include Franklin, Trenton, Springboro, Waynesville, Germantown, Middletown, Hamilton, Centerville, Miamisburg, Kettering, Monroe, New Miami, 7 Mile, Bellbrook, and Spring Valley. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover immediately. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Take immediate tornado precautions. This is an emergency situation. This is an extremely deadly tornado with complete devastation likely. You could be killed, if not underground, or in a tornado shelter. Tornadoes are difficult to see or confirm at night. Do not delay to see or hear the tornado. Seek an underground shelter immediately to protect yourself from the tornado. If driving in the tornado warning bulletin, find at least somewhere as a storm shelter. Do not drive in any underpasses, because they won't keep you safe during a tornado. A tornado watch remains in effect until 4 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for Dark, Shelby, Miami, Preble, Montgomery, Greene, Clark, Madison, Union, Logan, and Champaign counties in Ohio. A severe thunderstorm watch also remains in effect until 4:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for Fayette, Butler, Warren, Clinton, Hamilton, Clermont, Brown, Highlands, Adams, Ross, Pike, and Scioto counties in Ohio. To repeat, a tornado warning has been issued until 2:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in the listening area: Butler, Greene, Warren, and Montgomery.